Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing one of the simplest but most fundamental statistical distribution, which is the Bernoulli distribution. Even though it looks very simple, so the Bernoulli distribution is the building block for many others probability models such as the binomial and geometric distribution. By understanding this distribution, you will understand the foundation of many real-world probability scenarios. So, what is a Bernoulli distribution? The Bernoulli distribution is used for situations where there are only two possible outcomes. We typically label these outcomes as one is the success, and zero is the failure. So the distribution depends on just one parameter called P, which represents the probability of success, and in mathematically we use that is P is equals to P of x is equals to 1 equals P. If a situation results in either success or failure, yes or no, correct or incorrect, then it can be modeled using the Bernoulli distribution. So when it is used, we use the Bernoulli distribution when a process produces only two results. So the some examples is, first is flipping a coin. It is either head or tails. On other hand, another example is whether a customer buys a product or not. But today, we are focusing on a student answering true or false questions. So we let that correct is equals to 1 and the incorrect is equals to 0. So in all examples, we are focusing on the outcome whether it is 1 or 0. That is why the Bernoulli distribution is perfect model, and there are two main formulas. So that two important formulas summarizes that the behavior of Bernoulli random variable, so the expected value and the variance. So first, I'm going to write the expected value. Expected value. So the formula is in this: E of x, big X, is equals to P. So the variance, the expected value or the mean tells us the long run proportion of successes. If a student has a 60% chance of answering correctly, then the expected value is equals to 0.6, which means that on many attempts the student would answer correctly about 60% of the time. So now I'm going to write the variance. So the formula of variance is var of x is equals to P times 1 minus P. So the variance is highest when P is equals to 0.5, because this is the point of greatest uncertainty. So when P is close to 0 or 1, the outcomes are more predictable, so the variance becomes smaller. So suppose a student has 0.75, or it is just 75% probability of answering true or false question. So in that result, the student is they study well. So we define um in this example, we define x is equals to 1 if the student if a student answers correctly, and 0 if the student if a student answers incorrectly. So in this example, we let the P is equals to 0.75 or 75%. Now let's calculate the expectation value. So E of big X is equals to P, which is the has a value of 0.75, and times 0.25 is equals to 0.1857. So in this result, the student is answered correctly, and it has success of 70%, and the failure of this example is 25%. So in summary, the Bernoulli distribution Bernoulli distribution is uh, it is useful when a problem is having a two different outcomes, which is it is useful, and it is useful to calculate that the problem has to solve in a two different ways. So that's all. Thank you, and I hope you learn from this lecture. Bye bye.